Welcome back to HTA. In this episode we'll be cutting the canvases, the hair cloth and the domet. And you fold them over like so. Get them to match. So that edge there matching and this edge here. Hold the ruler firm, lift it up between the two layers of canvas, and then chalk. Turn it this way, and you should find your two pieces roughly the same size. Alright, we take the chest piece and we join it to the canvas. Take a needle and thread. What we do here is we just cut in the middle of this chalk line. I'm just basting the cloth over about 1/8 of an inch down the actual sew line, so we don't want to stitch in the sew line. And then take your cold iron, drop it on it, and that'll help to dry it off, cool it, and it'll bring up the water as well.